Welcome to today's tutorial on creating your own Psiphon server. In this video, we'll go through each step in detail to help you set up your server and unlock digital freedom. Whether you're facing internet censorship or simply want to access information without constraints, Psiphon is your beacon of freedom. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more tech tutorials like this one. Step 1. Start by opening your preferred browser. For this demonstration, I'll be using Chrome. Step 2. In the search bar, type OSS Tunnel. And select the first website that appears in the search results. Once on the homepage of OSS Tunnel, look for the three-line menu icon on the left side and click on it to reveal the menus. Step 4. Within the expanded menu, find and click on Create Account. Step 5. A submenu will appear displaying various protocols. Choose Psiphon Server from this list. Step 6. You'll be directed to a new page prompting you to select a location for your server. Once chosen, click on Create Psiphon Key. Step 7. On the next page, verify your humanity by checking the reCAPTCHA box, then proceed by clicking Create Psiphon Key. Step 8. In just a few moments, your Psiphon server will be created and ready to use. Step 9. Once created, you can either copy the server information using the provided button or download it for use with HTTP custom settings. Step 10. If you're unsure about setting up your Psiphon server with HTTP Custom or Napsternetv VPN, check out my video guide linked below for detailed instructions. Thank you for watching and joining us on this journey to digital freedom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Stay connected and stay empowered with Psiphon.